How to create offers people can't say no to. To crush it in sales, a good product isn't enough. Your product, market, price, and offer have to be perfectly aligned. Let's dive into these 4 pillars in design offers people can't refuse. 1. Your product. Compete on value, not price. Many entrepreneurs complain about slow sales, and their first thought is to slash prices. But that just throws you into a price war where you'll make no profit. If your product becomes a commodity, customers will always pick the cheapest option. That's why your product needs to be one of a kind. Stand out. Example, don't just offer coaching. Promise something like pay only if you get results, 5 kilograms guaranteed, 24/7 support. Customers don't choose price. They choose a powerful promise. If your product is unique, decisions will be value-based. 2. Market. Reach the right audience. Even the best product won't sell if you pitch it to the wrong person. There are 4 signs to find the right market. Is there a pain point? Your customers shouldn't just want your product. They need it. Do they have buying power? Can your audience afford it? Are they accessible? Can you reach them on platforms like social media? Is it a growing market? Health, wealth, and relationships are always expanding. Your strategy: find a niche within a broad market. Instead of time management, go for time management for night shift nurses. Less competition, clear target. Don't try to sell to everyone. Focus on your niche. 3. Price. High value equals high profit. Don't fall for sell it cheap, sell more. As Alex Hormozy says, price it so high it feels weird to you, but then over-deliver on the value. When people see the promise gain, the price becomes meaningful. Value is determined by 4 factors. Dreamed outcome. Customers want a fit body, not just weight loss. Your product should promise that dream. Likelihood of success. Customers need to trust you 100%. Time delay. How fast will they see results? The quicker, the better. Effort and sacrifice. Solutions that reduce effort are more attractive. Building the offer, problem, solution, product. Define the customer's dream. List their obstacles. Solve every problem. What tools will you use to deliver these solutions? The best offers are low cost, high value. Digital solutions, PDFs, apps, courses often shine here. Summary: remember, your product needs to be unique. Be the right market. If value is high, price can be high too. Solve every obstacle to create an irresistible offer. The best salespeople are the best offer architects. Follow how to sell smarter for more.